He's trying to catch a pigeon. That's right there.
Oh no. It's gonna be bad.
I think he can do. I think he can
Oh
do it.
no. You better fly away, buddy.
I'm videotaping this.
Alright.
I'm videotaping it.
He's literally watching. Now Tiger's distracted. Run away! Fly away! Do anything you can.
The bird's walking back. Yeah, he's trying to eat it.
You better fly away, buddy, or else Tiger's gonna catch you. No, 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 don't go towards him. Don't try to make friends with him. Oh no, this is not going to go good. Tiger is literally... He just wants to get some